This is a newly constructed Wawa in Leonardo, New Jersey, Middletown Township. The walls have been primed. We're here to install wallpaper today. It's not really too bad of a job. Everything's cleaned out.
And this
looking good. This is the scaffolding. This will take me around the whole room. I'll try to show you a little bit step by step as we go along. Here's the table. This is a 54-inch commercial paper. It's a striped vinyl. Okay, right now what I'm doing is this is a 54-inch commercial paper, and as you can see, the height's only 28 inches. So what I have to do is I have to cut it. And this is actually a kitchen knife, but it does the job. Cuts right through it. My wife's going to get mad at me for using this knife.
But it works.
Stainless steel. Okay, this is our scrap. This is almost the same height. Okay. This piece will go up on that wall there.
Okay. Okay.
28. Right side. So we don't forget. Paper was under here. I got all the paste on. This is a heavy duty clear paste. In most cases, you always paste the paper, but because of the size of the paper, I find that it works. This works nicely. Job done. Making sure I put it on nice and even. It's not heavy anywhere. Make sure I do it thoroughly. Right. There's actually going to be a molding here, so I'm just going to paper down the corner edge, and then later, on a different day, carpenter will come in with the molding. Not only do I want to brush this out, roll this out, I also want to brush my upper corner. Doesn't matter if I smack it into that metal edge, I'll just wipe it off with a sponge. And get it up under there, go nice and tight. Just make sure I got that bottom edge. Start in the corner. There's already a plumb line, so the only thing I really have to do is just get it right into that track line and roll it out. Nice and tight, right into that. Right into that. As far as you can. All right, you got your locked in there. Make sure it's tight. Tight underneath. Right into that track. Wiping off the paste on the top. The key to it is, you don't get any paste on the paper, you don't have any paste to wipe it. sure.
All right, gonna roll it.
Yeah, 60 steps. You got some line back. This wall here goes. Okay. Object to doing this.
See what it is.
Here's the object to this. Quick. The quicker you do it, straighter it cuts. There's a jagged edge here. Again, this edge will be cut off with a piece of molding. One wire. Right here.
All right, now I'm gonna step back.
I cut all my corners sharp. There's like an eighth of an inch overlap in the corner. Okay, and everything all right? We're doing a YouTube video. There's this, okay, wallpaper. This same exact paper. And this is the new construction paper. There's a cattle stripe, and there's a burgundy stripe. Burgundy just goes over the top of the coffee area. With this burgundy paper, you want to be careful not to get any paste on it, because then you got to wipe it. Don't get paste on it, you want to wipe it.
Good philosophy.
Yeah, I mean, you can see every spot. The darker the paper, see every paste mark. Again, there's a molding here. Hopefully I can get it in the corner here, so that's paste on it. May not be able to. Was completed all the way around. This took about 2-3 hours. This is the Wawa from the outside, Leonardo, New Jersey, on Route 36. It's not really too big of a Wawa, but it is, as you can see, a super gas station. It's got the gas station.
And this is his work van. He's always prepared.